Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone,
my name
my
is
name is
Adib
Adib
Zakaria. Today I
Today
will
I will
be
be
talking
talking
about
about
floppy disk
floppy disk
drive.
drive.
So
So
here are
here
the
are the
contents.
contents.
Floppy disk
Floppy disk
drive.
drive.
So
So
basically a
basically a
floppy disk
floppy
is a
disk is a
storage
storage
medium
medium
composed of
composed
a
of a
disk
disk
of
of
thin
thin
and
and
flexible
flexible
magnetic
magnetic
storage
storage
medium
medium
sealed in
sealed
a
in a
rectangular
rectangular
plastic
plastic
carrier
carrier
lined with
lined with
fabric that
fabric that
removes
removes
dust
dust
particles.
particles.
In
In
other
other
words, a
words, a
floppy disk
floppy disk
drive
drive
(FDD)
FDD
or
or
floppy
floppy
drive is
drive is
hardware
hardware
device that
device that
reads
reads
data
data
storage
storage
information.
information.
It was
It was
invented in
invented in
1967 by a
1967 by a
team
team
at
of
IBM.
IBM
It
and
was one
was
of the
one of the
first types
first
of
types of
hardware
hardware
storage
storage
device
device
that could
that
read
could
and
read
write
and write
both
both
portable
portable
devices.
device.
FDDs are
FDDs are
used
used
for
for
reading and
reading and
writing
writing
on
on
removable
removable
floppy
floppy
disks.
disks.
Floppy
Floppy
disks
disks
are
are
now
now
outdated
outdated
because
because
the
the
other
other
devices such
devices
as
such as
USB and
USB and
network file
network file
transfers have
transfer have
taken their
taken their
place.
place.
These are
These
some
are some
photos of
photos of
USBs
USBs
as well as
as well as
floppies.
floppies.
Floppy disk
Floppy
drive
disk drive
terminology.
terminology.
Floppy
Floppy
disk
disk
is
is
also
also
known as
known as
diskette.
diskette.
The
The
common
common
size of a
size of a
floppy
floppy
is
is
3.5
3.5
inches.
inches.
Floppy disk
Floppy disk
drive,
drive,
the
the electromechanical
electromechanical
device
device
that
that
reads
reads
and
and writes
writes
floppy
floppy
disk,
disk,
track
track
concentric
concentric
ring of
ring of
data
data
of a
of a
disk,
disk,
a
a
subset of
subset
a
of a
track
track
similar to
similar to
wedge or a
wedge or a
slice of a
slice of a
pie.
pie.
In
In
floppy
floppy
disk is
disk
known
is
as
known as
sector.
sector.
Components of
Components of
floppy disk
floppy disk
drive:
drive,
write
write
protector,
protector,
hub, shutter,
shutter,
plastic
plastic
housing,
housing,
paper
paper
ring,
ring,
magnetic
magnetic
disk,
disk,
disk
disk
sector,
sector,
spring.
spring.
This is
This
the
is the
housing.
how
This is the
This is the
housing of
housing
the
of the
floppy
floppy
disk.
disk.
This is a
This is a
paper
paper
ring
ring
which
which
cleans the
cleans the
floppy.
floppy
Shutter.
shutter.
This is
This
the
is the
hub
hub
which
which
spins
spins
the
the
disk.
disk.
This is a
This is a
spring
spring
plastic
plastic
flap and
flap and
write
write
protector.
protective.
Now
Now
we'll see
we'll see
construction of a
construction of a
floppy
floppy
disk.
disk.
So a
So a
floppy is
floppy
made
is
up
made
of
up
a
of a thin circular
mylar
mylar
plastic
plastic
material
material
coated with
coated with
magnetic
magnetic
particles
particles
sealed
sealed
into
into
90 into
94
94 mm
mm
plastic
plastic
case.
case.
Every
Every
magnetic
magnetic
particle
particle
holds
holds
one
one
data bit.
data bit.
The
The
shutter
shutter
with the
with the
spring is
spring
a
is a
present to
present to
avoid
avoid
dust
waste
particles
particle
from
from
being
being
deposited.
deposited.
Inserting the
Inserting the
drive,
drive, the shutter opens and allows magnetic data
exposed to
exposed to
read and
read and
write
write
ahead.
ahead.
Hub.
Hub.
This is a
This is a
hole
hole
through which
through which
floppy
floppy
disk
disk
is
is
rotated by a
rotated by
spindle or
spindle
a
or a
stepper
stepper
motor.
motor.
We'll see
We'll see
about
about
spindle and
spindle and
stepper
stepper
motor
motor
in
in
further
further
slides.
slides.
Paper
Paper
ring
ring
cleans
cleans
the
the
disk by
disk by
removing
removing
microscopic bits
microscopic
of
bits
dust,
of
as
dust,
I
as I
mentioned
mentioned
before.
before.
Made of
Made of
ferrite
ferrite
type of
type of
them
them
made of ferrite type
type
to
to
make
make
them
them
electromagnetic.
electromagnetic.
Head
Head
contacts
contacts
much
much
closer
closer
compared to
compared
a
to a
HDD due
HDD
to
due to
low
low
RPM,
RPM,
that is
that is
300
300
RPM.
RPM.
3.5
3.5
inches
inches
floppy
floppy
disk has
disk has
only
only
80 tracks
80
per
tracks per
side, so
side,
the
so the
accusator
actuator
doesn't need
doesn't
to
need
be
to be
much
much
precise as
precise as
HDD.
HDD.
Unlike
Unlike
HDD,
HDD,
FDD
FDD
has
has
three
three
heads.
heads.
One is
One is
read-write head,
read-write head,
and
and
another two
another
is
two is
tunnel
tunnel
erase head
erase
to
head to
clean up
clean up
after
after
read-write head,
read-write head,
as there
as
is a
there is a
magnetization that
magnetization that
overlaps two
overlaps two
adjacent
adjacent
tracks while
tracks while
writing.
writing.
These are
These
some
are some
types of
types of
floppy disk
floppy disk
drive.
drive.
The
The
largest
largest
floppy disk
floppy
is
disk
of
is
8
of 8
inches
inches
as well,
as well,
and
and
whereas
whereas
the
the
smallest
smallest
floppy
floppy
is of
is
2
of 2
inches.
inches.
That was
That was
that was
that was
introduced
introduced
in
in
1985, and
1985,
the
and the
first
first
floppy
floppy
was
was
introduced in
introduced in
1969.
1969.
It
It
was
was
81,664
81,664
kilobytes,
kilobytes,
and
and
the recent and the
recent and the
latest
latest
floppy is
floppy
of
is of
three and a
three and a
half
half
inch,
inch, which was
which was
introduced in
introduced in 1988-99.
1988-99.
These are
These
some
are some
images of
images
the
of the
floppy
floppy
disk.
disk.
This is
This is
5.25 inch
5.25 inch
fileware
fileware,
with
3
3 inches,
inches,
2
2
inches,
inches,
3.5
3.5
inches,
inches,
5.25
5.25
inches
inches
again,
again,
and
and
this is the
this is the
largest
largest
8
8
inches.
inches.
Working of a
Working of a
floppy disk
floppy disk
drive.
drive.
So
So
here is
here
the
is the
exposing of
exposing of
recording
recording
surface.
surface.
After that,
After that,
it
it
sends
sends
signal from
signal
the
from the
circuit board
circuit board
and
and
checks the
checks the
wire
wire
for
for
protection.
protection.
And
And
then
then
this is the
this is the
positioning,
positioning,
the
the
read-write
read-write
heads,
heads,
and
and
then it
then it
writes the
writes the
data.
data.
These are
These
the
are the
motors used
motors
in
used in
floppy disk
floppy
drive:
disk drives,
spindle
spindle
motors and
motors and
stepper
stepper
motors.
motors.
So
So
spindle
spindle
motor,
motor, It is used for media rotation, that is
to
to
rotate the
rotate the
floppy
floppy
disk
disk
at the
at the
speed of
speed of
360
360
rpm
rpm
for
for 1.22
1.22
MB
MB floppies
floppies at the speed and at the speed of 300 rpm for 1.44 MB
per
per
minute.
minute.
Stepper
Stepper
motor.
motor.
Here are
Here
two
are two
heads to
heads
read
to read
media.
media.
The
The
media
media
floppy
floppy
disk
disk
rest
rest
between
between
head
at
0 and
0 and
head 1.
head 1. The stepper motor is used for the movement of the head. The stepper motor needs to a step pulse signal and direction signal which receives from FDD controller chip on the motherboard. Now, what are these head 0 and heads 1? What they do? Head 0, this head is stationary and then cannot move and is fixed on the lower portion of the FDD. Head 1, out of the two heads, the it is head 1 that moves forward and backwards and is mounted on the upper portion of the FDD. These are some uses of FDD. Online marketing, print media promotion. In online marketing, it is used in YouTube videos, Twitter, Facebook, and all other social media applications as well as banner ads, company website, Google ads. Print media, for example, giveaways, public relations drive, that is PRD, radio station giveaways, targeted emails, in promotion, newspapers, magazines, flyers, posters, radio as well, product cards, etc.
So thank you.
Thank you.